welcome back to my channel, and first of all, Happy New Year to everyone who is watching this video out there. And this video is Plan With Me for 2020 and my goals for 2020 and habits for 2020. So it's kind of a long video. So if you are new here, just subscribe and join this family and grab your notebook, planner, whatever you will be using for planning, and let's get started. Let's go.
Before planning for 2020, I will be reflecting on 2019. I will be writing all goals I've achieved, goals I didn't achieve, also which mistakes I've made and things I did were right. I think reflecting on 2019 and previous year is very important for planning the next year. After reflecting on 2019, I feel so revealed. Now I'll be asking myself two questions. First is which things work out in 2019? The second question is which things didn't work out in 2019, which is opposite of the first question. My biggest distraction and biggest thing which didn't work out for me was my phone. I was so addicted to my phone, and I know we all teens are addicted to our phone and social media. Using it for right work is a good thing, but we just use it for scrolling and scrolling. And if you agree with me, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss anything from me. Now, the main part, planning. I will be setting up quarterly goals, and basically, if you don't know, the quarterly goals are also known as 3-month goals. There will be 4 quarters, and I set up a limit for goals in each quarter. I will be setting up maximum 5 goals. You get to set your goals for 3 months, and I think they are more achievable. Yearly goals. Also, I have 2 goals which are yearly or which can be completed in 3 months. My first yearly goal is writing a book. You will be like, what? How can you write a book? You're just like 13-year-old. But I wrote a book when I was in the 4th standard with my 3 other friends, and the book was in Marathi, and now I'm going to write a book in English, and I think it will be fictional. And the book I wrote was not the perfect book, but I'm proud of myself. And my second yearly goal is building a simple website, and currently I'm learning Python, and it is my new hobby, and I will be doing it in my summer vacations because I have a lot of free time, but we will see it later. First goal in the first quarter is reading 5 non-fictional books, getting A1 in all subjects. And the third goal is learning Python. There are only 3 goals in first quarter. First goal in second quarter is building website, and it's summer vacation time in second quarter, so it's possible. Second goal is learning new programming language, and the third one is learning more editing. And there are also only 3 goals in second quarter. So now in the third quarter, I have only a single goal. And because the new year of my new standard will be starting, so I'll be like busy in organizing and stuff like that, so there is only one goal, and it is building new setup for social media like YouTube and Instagram and TikTok as well. So for filming and all stuff. And the goals in fourth quarter is finaling my book and making perfectly edited video because I still have to learn like more editing skills for thumbnail and all. So yeah, it's kind of a progressive thing I have to do in this year. It's time for the habits. So I simply wrote habits for 2020 and my handwriting is not that good, so it's the goal as well. So the first habit is drinking at least 2 liters of water every day. And second habit is journaling every day, and it's the great thing, but sometimes I don't do it. And the third habit is cleaning because in 2019 often I was so messy, so I need to stick to this habit. So I only wrote 3 habits because when you set so many you can't achieve them. So yeah, wrapping up this video, we will quickly see what we have did this video. So we reflected on 2019, we asked 2 questions to ourselves, and then we set quarterly goals and habits as well, and these were things we planned in 2020.
So, these are some tips and how I plan for New Year. So now the question of the day, which is your main goal for 2020? Tell me in my Instagram because the comments are turned off because of the rule. And I hope this video was so helpful to you for planning for your 2020. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.